Hello folks, welcome back. In this lecture we are going to see how to install and set up Git. Required information is already updated in our GitHub repository called Simple DevOps project, which is there in our Viankils account. Let's go and have a look. So here we have Simple DevOps project. Go inside to Jenkins folder. Here we have Git plugin install. It is very simple to set up Git. You can see here prerequisites. We need a Jenkins server which is already available and I have already logged in. As a first step, we should install Git on our Jenkins server. For that, let's log into our Jenkins. For better naming convention, I'm changing host name of the server as Jenkins so that it would be easy for us to identify. I'm giving it as a host name as a Jenkins. So I have logged in because to take it effect, it is temporary. To take it effect, you need to log in as a root. So it is a Jenkins server. Next, install Git on Jenkins server. After that, we should log into Jenkins console and install GitHub plugin and configure Git path, how we have set up for our Java. Let's do this. Yum install git -y. Y means I'm accepting to install. Go back to console. This is our Jenkins console. Now we should install a plugin. Whenever we were configuring Jenkins initially, we haven't installed any plugins. If you want to install plugins manually, go to Manage Jenkins. Under Manage Jenkins, Manage Plugins, Add Remove Plugins. Updates. This talks about if you have already installed some plugins, any latest versions has been released for those plugins. It will show up here. We can install latest version if necessary, but so far we haven't installed anything, so there is no option to see here. Available, all the available plugins we can install on this Jenkins server you can find here. Installed, so far if you installed any plugins that will show up here, but we haven't installed anything. I'm going to available. Now I'm trying to install my first plugin, that is GitHub. Search for GitHub. Okay. Now, if I scroll down, I can see an option called GitHub. Select this plugin, install without restart. We are installing only GitHub for now because our code is available in GitHub repository. To pull that code from GitHub to Jenkins, we must need this plugin. Depends upon your source code management tool, you should install respective plugin like Bitbucket or SVN or something else. And also if we observe, we are trying to install GitHub, but there are so many plugins are getting installed. These all are dependency plugins. So all the necessary plugins are getting installed during this Git plugin installation. Okay, our installation is successful. Go back to our Jenkins homepage. Next thing is we need to set up Git in the global tool configuration. So go to Manage Jenkins Global Tool Configuration. If you remember earlier, we don't have this option while setting up our Java. Now we have installed Git plugin. That's why you could able to see. But Git it can able to take up directly because it is a installation software. That's why we no need to provide any full path. Apply the changes, save it. So far we have set up our Git. In next video, we are going to see how to integrate Maven with Jenkins. Until then, bye. See you there.